Hello friends, and welcome to the OHA YouTube channel. I'm your OHA channel host George, and this is an overview on my Laketown board. I've received several requests. I apologize for the delay. Hopefully this will be able to answer most of the questions that many of you have sent over to me. By the way, thank you all so much for your likes and interests in the project. And I'll do my best to answer any other questions you have going forward. So the board here is 4x4, and the product that I used as the substructure is a product called Gator Board. A 4x8 sheet here in Canada will run you about $150. I'll show you what the board itself looks like. It's a very lightweight material, but at the same time extremely fragile. So, I mean, if you bang the corner, yes, you're going to get a chip. But one of the reasons why I decided to use this is because it will not curl once the water resin gets poured on top. It will retain its shape. So in order for it to give it some more stability, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this 4x4 sheet onto a piece of hardboard to just give it that extra little protection that I think it requires. Now, as far as the water effect goes, it's a product called Envirotex. So this is it. This is what I use exclusively. I love this product. It works great. And I'm thinking I'm going to need 2 of these boxes to fill this 4x4 area. It is going to have an ice look and feel to it. My plan on this video series is to give you guys some insights as to how I go about achieving that look. And yeah, so I'll take you guys along on the journey. In addition to that, the main planks I used, I'll give you guys a close-up. It is a Hirst Arts product. I used mold number 226, which is the large timber mold. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, I needed many casts to do this. I used primarily all the planks. All the little pieces have not been used. As you can see, it has been casted many times. There's over, I would say at this point now, 60 pounds of plaster here. I decided to do this because I wanted each time we use this board to give a different feel. The houses that you see there are, with the exception of maybe 1 or 2, are all going to be positioned alongside the board. So the width that you see is going to be the gaming width. And all of the water that's going to be more or less open, the houses will be more or less surrounding the board. That's the feel that I want. At the same time, all of the houses will not be fastened to anything, so you'll be able to reposition them as you wish for each different gaming scenarios. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys off the tripod and give you a closer look. All right, guys, here we are. I'm doing this a little freehand, so I want to give you guys somewhat of a look and feel as to what I'm trying to achieve here. Some of the sections have been raised slightly just to create a more dramatic look and feel. So I'm going to go around. There may or may not be a dock here. I haven't quite decided yet. But again, it's completely modular, so it really doesn't matter. Just to give some additional options. Down here you can put models going through. Yeah, and that's what we have so far, guys. Yes, and there you have it, guys. So this is what I've achieved thus far. Join me next time where I plan on showing you how the water effects and painting will be achieved on this board. I don't know when that will be, but just bear with me. I got a lot of things on the go at the moment. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks. I'm putting myself here on the line. You guys are going to call me out on it, I know it. But within the next 2 weeks, I plan on showing you guys the water effects and also how I'm going to go about painting the dock. It's going to be very similar to my previous videos on Edoras. So it's going to have the same look and feel as far as the docks go. The houses I still haven't decided yet. I mean, I have one here that's been painted red. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with that. It all depends on the look of what I want to do. And also at the moment I have 9 buildings. There are another 12 on their way. So those ones that are going to be kit bashed, some are going to be 3-4 stories high. Others are going to be 2-3 houses glued together. And then if I feel that I need more, I will go ahead and order more. But that's where we're at the moment, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And looking forward to seeing your comments. Bye for now.